Cordial greeting, tutor and classmates. My name is John Alexander Ramirez Guarin, and I then will expose the topic of prepared technology negotiation. Definition of how to protect the intellectual property of the software. The use or adaptation of existing technologies or new ideas or solutions developed by third parties can help companies to improve the quality of their products or service. That is the case of the software company Colombia, which have developed a new application to provide technology solution to third. This work is based on the choice of correct protection policies for the intellectual property and the subsequent creation of a draft contract for the software license, drafting clear clauses that guarantee correct commercialization, avoiding fraudulent reproduction and misuse of the software. Value method used to establish the price and the reason of the selection. Cost method. Improving in the technology process have contributed to saving research and developing costs by 15% compared to their main competitors. Value 243,750. Value method used to establish the price and the reason of the selection. In code methods. Projectile sharing agreement between Software Colombia 25% and this distribution 75%. Operation expenses represented 70% of project income. Value 355,000. 325,000. Market method analysis of licensing agreement in company related the software company Colombia S.A. Determination that the latter present a range of royalty the use of its license between 15% and 20% of the project revenue. Value 328,125. Result analysis. The result obtained according to the process series of the hash method were the following. Cost method 243,500. Market method 3,055,000. Income method 328,155. Therefore, for this case, the manager could be select an interval between the last hash value obtained. In this way, the fair market value of the software will be oscillating between two values. If the premise that guides the decision is based on economic principle of solution that correspond to the cost method, then the value of the software will be 243,750. General condition of the license. Software Colombia SA will grant the after organization exclusive license on this patent application, which indicate that its use or commercialization will made specific in areas of management and finance, and the improvements to be made should be especially aligned to the function. The trading organization which Software Colombia must apply for the license of the application at the term of 50 or 20 years for this use. Commercialization improved under the parameters established between the two parties when financing the negotiation contract. Conclusion. When a person or company is the holder of a patented technology knowledge and this is to transfer it for some economic reason, it must be negotiation through the license negotiation mechanism. In this negotiation, many factors must be taken into account, by which about one of the most important is to guarantee the protection of intellectual property and copyrights. That is why it is necessary to generate clear policy during negotiation to reach an agreement that benefits both parties. Thanks.